Amazon Alexa is the voice-controlled service that allows you to play music, ask questions, order a pizza, and now get updates on your AGL energy account. All you have to do is ask. Here's how to get your AGL skill up and running with your Amazon Alexa enabled device. Go to the App Store or Play Store on your mobile device, search for Amazon Alexa and download the app. Once you've set up your Amazon device, open the Alexa app. Go to the skill page and type AGL into the search bar. If AGL is not showing, you may need to update your country settings for your Amazon Australia account. Find out how. Click Enable under the AGL logo. Sign in to your AGL account. If you don't already have an online AGL account, you can create one, or sign up via Facebook, Google, or your Microsoft account. After a few seconds, you should receive a message that your AGL skill was successfully linked. Once registered, you won't need to log in again. Now with the AGL skill, you can get certain information on your account simply by saying, "Alexa, ask AGL." Wondering what your energy costs are? "Alexa, ask AGL what's my account balance." Going on holiday and want to make sure you don't miss paying your bill? "Alexa, ask AGL when my payment is due." Or wondering how you can save on energy? "Alexa, ask AGL for an energy tip." There are over 70 energy saving tips for around the home. And if you're ever stuck on what to ask or how to ask it, simply say, "Alexa, ask AGL for help." Alexa will then prompt you for the right question to ask. We're continually adding voice features to help you easily manage your AGL account. Join the AGL community thread to tell us what you think. Connect to the AGL skill today and start getting your account information on demand simply by saying, "Alexa, ask AGL." Find out more at agl.com.au/Alexa skill.